What's up, Ethereum traders? If you're looking to capture profit from price differences between exchanges, this Ethereum ETH arbitrage strategy between TapTax and Bybit is right up your alley. Let's dive into it. Right now, Ethereum is trading about 9% higher on TapTax compared to Bybit. This price gap is exactly the type of opportunity we're looking for in arbitrage. Here's the plan. Buy ETH at the lower price on Bybit, transfer it over to TapTax, and sell it at the higher price to secure that profit. First, purchase your ETH on Bybit at the current lower price. Always double check that the price gap is still favorable before committing to the buy. Once you've got your ETH, it's time to transfer it to TapTax. To maximize efficiency, use a fast and cost-effective network option. The small details make a big difference when it comes to profit. When your ETH arrives in TapTax, sell it for USDT at the higher price. This is where your profit gets locked in, thanks to the price difference between buying on Bybit and selling on TapTax. Finally, complete the loop by withdrawing your USDT from TapTax and sending it back to Bybit. Use the TRC20 network, as it's both cost-effective and quick, ensuring you keep the most profit possible. Arbitrage requires fast execution, so keep an eye on both exchanges and be ready to act when you spot a price gap. Calculate all the fees and confirm that the trade is truly profitable before you proceed. And that's it, a simple yet powerful Ethereum arbitrage strategy using TapTax and Bybit. Stay alert for these kinds of price differences, and with a little speed and attention to detail, you can turn them into steady profits. Thanks for watching, and as always, trade smart and keep your eye on the prize.